soap. It's going to be a unicorn witch soap, and I'm excited. So let's get started with pouring our lye water solution off into our bucket of oils. These are at room temperature. And then once this is all mixed up, I'll bring you guys back for the color. Okay, we're back. So I have the lye water and the oils blended together. So the color that I'm going to be using today is just one color because this is going to be at least 2-part soap. I'm just doing the base of the soap today, and it's going to be in this beautiful green color. And I got this color by mixing 3 different colors together, 3 different shades. So I got the Let Us Entertain You, and then the Radioactive, and then I also used a bit of the Green Vibrance mica to get this color. I don't have very many greens, and I wanted a specific green. So I'm just going to go ahead and start by pouring this off. Now that I got all of that color in there, I'm just going to go ahead and blend it in with my spatula. And then we'll go ahead and use the stick blender. Look at this green, guys. Also, greens tend to morph in cold process soap. So the color that you're going to see is not the end result of this color. Unicorns are pretty popular. They've been pretty popular for a long time now. But the design for this soap, I actually seen a picture on Pinterest, and I thought, how cute would this soap be? So it's going to be a witch unicorn soap, and the unicorn horn for this soap is going to be a bit of a different technique. It's not going to be your typical unicorn horn. That's going to be a whole process in itself. So this will be like probably 2 or 3-part process. And now that I have all of that blended in with my spatula, I'm going to go ahead and pour in the fragrance oil, which I already have measured out. And I am going to be using a dupe from Bath & Body Works. It is a Love Spell type fragrance oil. I've got this from Candlewick. I do love this fragrance. It is excellent in cold process. No speeding of trace, no ricing. You can smell so many different scents in here. It's like a fruity, citrusy, sweet blend. Overall, this fragrance is amazing. So now that we have all of the fragrance oil, I'm going to go ahead and quickly blend this up with the stick blender. And then we're going to go ahead and pour this into the 3-pound mold that I have from Nurture Soap. Okay, now that we have all of that color stick blended into the bottom of this base here, I over stick blended it a little bit because I only have a 1 pour, so it's not a big deal. It looks kind of like a poopy green, but that's okay because it's going to morph back, hopefully. It's kind of like a yellowy green, and is what it's kind of looking like at this morph stage. So we will see. I'm going to go ahead and pour this into the loaf. Okay, here's the mold, and I'm going to go ahead and start pouring. Now I'm just going to go ahead and scrape out the rest of my container. And then once this is done, I'm going to cut all of these into bars, and then I'm going to put the piping on the top of it. And you guys are going to see me place the unicorn horn that is specially designed for this witch soap. I'm actually going to put an insert somewhere in here to show you guys how I made those so you can see that as well. Well, I'll see you guys on step 2. Alright guys, we are back for part 3, Unicorn Witch Soap, and I have mixed up some purple colors, if you can see the shimmer in there. I've added some Imperial Purple Enviro Glitter from Nurture Soap. I also added some Eclipse Enviro Glitter from Nurture Soap, and I also added some black onyx to the black soap, and you can see maybe that there is some sparkles in there. And then we also have some orange. I did not put any shimmery glitters in that one, and that is going to be the Sunset Orange from Brambleberry. I want to keep it like a dark shaded color with some flotation device from Mad Micas, because I really love how vibrant this color is, and because it's a Halloween soap I want it to be like super vibrant. So I'm gonna start off with this purple color first. Okay guys, I'm just mixing this up with my spatula. So now I'm going to throw my stick blender in there for just a second, and then I'll bring you guys back and pour a little bit of fragrance in here. So on the bottom, I am taking a knife and digging out a hole in the center, because when I pipe the soap on top of the bars, I want this to cling on to that pretty well. So just going to go ahead and dig out the center of that really quick, and I'm not doing a whole bunch, just a little bit. This piping is setting up pretty fast. I think I like that. Make sure you guys can see. I like that. Looks good. I actually seen a cake on Pinterest with a unicorn witch like cake, so I was like, oh, that's so cute. So I decided that I would make my own version. One for the purple. I got a few little dollops left in there to decorate a little spots if it doesn't like set up on me fast. I'm gonna go ahead and dollop a little purple on top. Put the witch hats on the soap. So cute. Those are so cute. Check that out. Isn't that adorable, guys? Turn around so you guys can see better. I am in love with these, guys. Oh my god, these are so cute. I also have some cute ear embeds to put on here. Check those out. Those are adorable. I know. So, let's see. I'm gonna look at this to see where to place it. These are so cute. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get my orange and black frosting ready for the next color on top of these. I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting all these cute witch hats on. Okay guys, we are back to pipe the orange frosting on the Unicorn Witch soaps, and I'm using the Atico 172 tip. I am also using a Ziploc bag so I can save on some piping bags. All I did was put it in the corner of the bag, and I'm going to start piping before it starts getting stiff on me. And it is thickening up a little bit. I think once I get some of the tip of the frosting out, it'll be fine. I do also have some black frosting that will be going on these. I probably need to make a little bit more purple too, honestly. I don't really want to put too much orange on here because I want to get even the colors all over. I did not put all the unicorn horns on yet because I didn't have piping on some of the side that needed unicorn horn. So now I can place one in there. These are going to be so cute when they're done. I'm excited about these. These are so cute, guys. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish placing these unicorn horns. My bad. These unicorn ears. Aren't those so cute? Look at the glitter in them. I hope you guys enjoyed this spooktacular video. If you did, subscribe to the channel and be sure to tap that like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.